Hello, my name is Matt Parker. I'm with the elder law firm of Marshall, Parker & Weber, and I'm here today to talk to you about what is estate planning. Well, estate planning typically involves some basic documents: a will, powers of attorney, as well as an advance directive. The will tends to be the heart of the estate plan. I consider it a blueprint as to how assets are going to pass at the time of your death. You can make your will very simple, or you can be very creative. You can leave specific gifts of money or property to kids, maybe charities. You can even include trusts in your will. For example, if you have minor beneficiaries like grandchildren, and you don't want to leave the money to them outright, well, you can leave it to them in trust. Set an age at which they're going to inherit their money or property. Maybe you have the money distributed over time at age 25, 30, 35. What if you have a special needs beneficiary? A child with a disability who might be getting government benefits. A lot of those benefits have asset limitations, like SSI and Medicaid. If you leave an inheritance to them outright, they'll lose their benefits. So use a special needs trust in your will. You can leave an inheritance to them, and they can also keep their government benefits. What if you have a child with some spending problems? Set up a trust for them. Put a bank, like a financial institution, in charge of managing the money for them. That way you can have some guarantee that the money will not get squandered when they inherit that money. And think about who's going to be your executors. An executor has an important role to collect your assets, pay your debts, distribute the money to the beneficiaries. You can name more than one individual as your executor, but they better get along, because if they don't, your estate could be very chaotic. Now, keep in mind, not all assets pass through your will. Some of them will pass through contracts like life insurance policies and IRAs. They will have separate beneficiaries. Your will's not going to affect where those assets go, so make sure your beneficiaries are up to date. Now, for the lifetime documents, they include your financial power of attorney, a healthcare power of attorney, and an advance directive. The financial power of attorney allows somebody to pay your bills and manage your assets. They can even sell your assets, like your home or your car. You can make a very conservative power of attorney that allows them to pay bills and manage your affairs. Or your power of attorney could have very broad powers. You could allow somebody to give your money away, change beneficiaries. Keep in mind, the person you're going to name as your power of attorney has a lot of authority, so pick this person carefully. In the healthcare document, these are used when you're incapacitated and can't make a decision about your medical affairs. The healthcare agent will be able to talk to the doctor, decide what kind of care you're going to receive, decide where you're going to live. In addition to the healthcare power of attorney, you'll have an advance directive. This document will allow somebody to make end-of-life decisions for you if you're terminally ill or permanently unconscious, like in a coma or vegetative state. Most of the time, you'll give instructions that you don't want heroic measures taken at that time. Those are some of the basic estate planning documents. If you'd like more information about this topic or others, do visit our website at paelderlaw.com.